Welcome to a sanctuary of peace. Join us on a journey to soothe your soul. As the first light of dawn breaks, nature awakens, humming a tune of serenity. The soft rustle of leaves dances with the gentle whisper of the wind, creating a symphony of tranquility. The melody of the morning, orchestrated by the universe itself, invites calm. It's a sweet serenade that wraps you in its embrace, setting a soothing rhythm for the day ahead. Immerse in nature's embrace. Let the rain, the brook, and the ocean's song bring tranquility. Feel the droplets as they kiss the earth, each one a note in a symphony of serenity. Listen as the brook murmurs its lullaby, its gentle flow a soothing rhythm. Hear the ocean's mighty waves, their rhythmic crash, a mesmerizing chorus. This is nature's symphony, a performance played out in the grandest of theaters, under the dome of the sky. Dive into literature's whispered wonders, where words softly evoke worlds of imagination. We now find ourselves in a quiet room, the world outside hushed to a whisper. The rustle of pages turning echoes gently, a symphony of paper and ink. Each word we whisper breathes life into characters, painting vivid landscapes in our mind's eye. We weave tales of love, of loss, of triumph and despair, all in hushed tones that stir the soul. After all, isn't that the magic of literature? In the kitchen's melody, find comfort. The chop, sizzle, and stir, each a note in our comforting chorus. In this symphony, the simplest of ingredients transform into a melody that feeds the soul. The rhythmic dance of the knife against the board, the sizzle of ingredients embracing heat, the gentle stir of flavors melding together, all harmonize into a soothing lullaby. This is the kitchen song, a melody that speaks of warmth, comfort, and the humble magic of creating a meal. It sings a story of love and care, of patience and transformation, a story as old as time, yet new with every stir, every chop, every sizzle. Through art, we tell untold stories. Each stroke and cut, a dialogue with the soul. As the pencil glides, it whispers stories onto the canvas. The flow of paint, like a river of colors, carries with it emotions that words often fail to express. The snip of scissors, crafting beauty from the mundane, echoes the transformative power of creativity. This symphony of artistic expression is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to find joy in creation. Thank you for this sensory journey. May this peace stay with you, a haven whenever needed. We've traversed nature, literature, culinary symphonies, and artistic dialogues. Now, as the ambient music fades, we part ways with a heart full of gratitude. Until we meet again in this sanctuary of serenity,